Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on the option to end calls with pressing a side button. So to change our options, we have to go to settings, of course. Then we are looking for accessibility option, and here we have interaction and dexterity. And here it is, answering and ending calls. By default, this option is turned off, but if you want to enable it, we simply check this box, and now we can end calls with pressing the side button. No need to save, just back out to main menu, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.